Selena, Class 10, Chapter 20, Cylinder, Cone and Sphere, Surface Area and Volume. Sum number 22. The total surface area of a solid cylinder is 616 centimeters square. If the ratio between its curved surface area and total surface area is 1:2, find the volume of the cylinder. Let R and H be the radius and the height of a solid cylinder. Therefore, total surface area of cylinder given is 616 centimeters square. Total surface area of cylinder is 2 pi r into h plus r is equal to 616. Let that be equation 1. Curved surface area of cylinder is 2 pi r h. Their ratio curved surface area is to total surface area is 1:2. Write the formula 2 pi r h upon 2 pi r into r plus h equal to half. 2 pi r get cancelled. H upon r plus h equal to 1/2. Cross multiply. 2h is equal to r plus h. Take an h to the left hand side. H is equal to r. Substitute h equal to r in equation 1. We get 2 pi r into r plus r is equals to 616. Okay, this is 2r. Open. So we get 2 pi 22 by 7. 2r square, r into r is r square equal to 616. Therefore, r square is equals to 616 into 7 upon 2 into 22 into 22 into 2, which is equal to 49. R square equal to 49. Therefore, r is equal to 7. R is equal to h. Therefore, h is equal to 7. Volume of cylinder pi r square h. 22 by 7 into 7 into 7 into 7. 1 7 get cancelled, which is equal to 1078 centimeter cube. Sum number 23. A cylindrical vessel of height 24 centimeter and diameter 40 centimeter is full of water. Find the exact number of small cylindrical bottle, each of height 10 centimeter and diameter 8 centimeter, which can be filled with this water. For large cylindrical vessel, height given is 24 centimeter, radius is 40/2, 20 centimeter. Therefore, volume of large cylindrical vessel is pi r square h, pi into 20 into 20 into 24 centimeter cube. For smaller cylindrical bottle, h is equal to 10 centimeter, radius is 8/2, 4 centimeter. Volume of small cylindrical bottle is pi r square h equal to pi into 4 into 4 into 10 centimeter cube. Now, number of small cylindrical bottle which can be filled is equal to volume of large cylindrical vessel upon volume of small cylindrical bottle, which is equal to pi into 20 into 20 into 24 upon pi into 4 into 4 into 10, which is equal to 60. Number of cylindrical bottles can be filled is equal to 60. Sum number 24. Two solid cylinders, one with diameter 60 centimeter and height 30 centimeter and other with radius 30 centimeter and height 60 centimeter, are melted and recasted into third solid cylinder of height 10 centimeter. Find the diameter of the cylinder formed. For cylinder 1, height h1 equal to 30 centimeter, radius r1 equal to 60/2, 30 centimeter. Therefore, volume, let that be V1 equal to pi r1 square into h1, which is equal to pi into 30 into 30 into 30, which is equal to 27,000 pi centimeter cube. For cylinder 2, height h2 equal to 60 centimeter, radius r2 equal to 30 centimeter. Let volume V2 equal to pi r2 square into h2, which is equal to pi into 30 into 30 into 60, which is equal to 54,000 pi centimeter cube. Let r be the radius of the third cylinder. Height h equal to 10 centimeter. volume V is pi r square h, which is equal to pi r square into 10. Now new volume is volume of first cylinder plus volume of second cylinder, which is equal to 27,000 pi plus 54,000 pi with and pi r square, and we want h height as 10 centimeter, which is equal to 81,000 pi. Pi get cancelled. R square is equal to 8,100. R equal to 90. Therefore diameter is equal to 2r, which is equal to 180 centimeters. Sum number 25. The total surface area of a hollow cylinder which is open from both sides is 3575 centimeters square. Area of the base ring is 357.5 centimeters square and height is 14 centimeter. Find the thickness of the cylinder. Total surface area of a hollow cylinder is 3575 centimeters square, and given is area of base ring is 357.5 centimeters square. Height 14 centimeter. Let external radius be capital R and internal radius be small r. Therefore thickness of the cylinder D will be capital R minus small r. Total surface area is equal to 2 pi capital RH plus 2 pi small rh plus 2 pi capital R square minus small r square, which is equal to 2 pi. In this 2 pi h is common, r plus capital R plus small r. Here we will write 2 pi capital R plus r into capital R minus small r. In this two term, what is common? 2 pi into capital R plus small r is common into h plus capital R minus r, which is equal to 2 pi into capital R plus small r into h capital R minus small r is d, thickness of the cylinder. So h plus d, which is equal to 2 pi capital R plus small r into a height given is 14 plus d. But this total surface area is 3575. So let that be equation 1. Area of base is pi into capital R square minus small r square, which is equal to 357.5. Therefore pi into capital R plus small r into capital R minus small r is equals to 357.5. Capital R minus small r is d. Therefore pi into capital R plus small r into d equal to 357.5. Let that be equation 2. Dividing 1 by 2, we get 2 pi into capital R plus r small r into 14 plus d upon pi into capital R plus small r into d equal to 3575 upon 357.5. Okay. Pi get cancelled, plus r plus r get cancelled. What remains? 2 into 14 plus d upon d is equals to 10. Cross multiply 28 plus 2d equal to 10d. 8d equal to 28. D equal to 28 upon 8, which is equal to 3.5 centimeter. Therefore thickness of the cylinder is 3.5 centimeter. Sum number 26. The given figure shows a solid form from a solid cube of side 40 centimeter and a solid cylinder of radius 20 centimeter, height 15 centimeter attached to the cube as shown. Find the volume and total surface area of the whole solid. Take pi equal to 3.4. Edge of the cube L equal to 40 centimeter. Volume of the cube L is L cube, 40 cube, which is equals to 64,000 centimeter cube. Radius of solid cylinder small r 20 centimeter. Height of solid cylinder h 50 centimeter. Volume of cylinder is equal to pi r square h, which is equal to 3.14 into 20 into 20 into 50, which is equal to 62,800 centimeter cube. Volume of whole solid is equal to volume of cube plus volume of cylinder, which is equal to 64,000 plus 62,800, which is equal to 1,26,800 centimeter cube. Total surface area of whole solid is equal to total surface area of cube plus curved surface area of cylinder. Total surface area of cube is 6L square plus curved surface area of cylinder is 2 pi r square h, which is equal to 6 into 40 square plus 2 into 3.14 into 20 into 50, which is equal to 9600 plus 6280 equal to total surface area of whole solid equal to 15,880 centimeters square. Sum number 27. Two right circular solid cylinder have radii of ratio 3:5 and height in ratio 2:3. Find the ratio between their first part curved surface area, second part volume. Let the radii and height of two right circular cylinder be R1, R2 and H1, H2 respectively. Given that R1 upon R2 is equal to 3 upon 5 and H1 upon H2 is equal to 2 upon 3. First part, curved surface area of cylinder 1 upon curved surface area of cylinder 2 is equal to 2 pi R1 H1 upon 2 pi R2 H2. 2 pi get cancel, which is equal to R1 upon R2 into H1 upon H2 equal to 3 upon 5 into 2 upon 3. 3 get cancel, 1 2s are 2, 5 1s are 5. Therefore, the ratio of the curved surface area of cylinder 1 is to cylinder 2 is 2:5. 2:5. Second part, volume. Find the ratio of their volumes. So volume of cylinder 1 upon volume of cylinder 2 is equal to pi R1 square into H1 upon pi R2 square into H2. Pi get cancel, R1 upon R2 the whole square into H1 upon H2, which is equal to R1 upon R2 the whole square is 9 upon 25 into 2 upon 3. 3 1s are 3, 3s are 3, 2s are 6, 5, 25 into 1 is 25. Therefore, ratio between their volumes is 6:25. Sum number 28. A closed cylindrical tank made of thin iron sheet has diameter 8.4 meter and height 5.4 meter. How much metal sheet to the nearest meter square is used in making this tank if 1 upon 15 of the sheet actually used was wasted in making the tank? Radius of the cylindrical tank R is equal to 8.4 upon 2 equal to 4.2 meter. Height of the cylindrical tank H equal to 5.4 meter. Therefore, total surface area of the cylindrical tank is 2 pi r into H plus r, which is equal to 2 into 22 by 7 into 4.2 into 5.4 plus 4.2, which is equal to 2 into 22 into 0.6 into 9.6 equal to total surface area of cylindrical tank is 253.44 meters square. Area of the sheet wasted in making tank is 1 upon 15 into 253.44, which is equal to 16.896 meters square. Hence, total sheet required equal to 253.44 plus 16.896 equal to 270.34 meters square.